Hi, so I ordered this blowout hair dry brush. This is making me so excited because I wanted this for so long. So I'm gonna open it and show you how it works and how it looks like. Wow, it looks so good. Look at this. It is black and pink. I think I'm gonna try it right away. So it comes with three modes: middle air, low, and high. So I'm gonna try it. Okay, so this is my hair. It's completely wet, as you can see. I'm going to blow this up. Okay, so look at this hair. I really love this hot hair brush. It's amazing, but this doesn't pull your hair at all. It's really comfortable for using. The cable is really comfortable, and look at this. You don't even need to brush your hair before because this is really soft, and oh my gosh, I cannot believe I have these results with this. It looks like I came out from the salon. I really love this hair brush.